Finally, we got back on track and we did it on one of the more choppy days of the week. But here's what I did differently that I think is going to stick and be a big improvement to the software. I asked ChatGPT to analyze its own analysis, and all that did was give us an 80% win rate when we took just under 70 trades on the day. So now I've got my work cut out for me. I need to find a way to make sure that the AI can analyze its own analysis and then give us basically a meta signal saying, hey, you should go long or you should go short, or this is probably a fake out, stay short. This is probably going to be a continuous trend, you should join. When we got those kinds of signals, when I was able to get those signals, that helped my trades and helped us catch some pretty sizable moves. And so what I'm going to do is, I haven't figured out the timing just yet, but we're going to analyze the 5 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. And then we're probably going to go ahead and get a signal, I think, every 2 minutes based on the previous X amount of candles. So I need to build this and figure out exactly how I want it to be structured. But I think what it's going to do is give you a lot more clarity as to how to read these signals and catch some of these candles while they're moving in a direction that's advantageous for us to jump in. So if we want to see price go long, we've got price really pulling back, that's going to be a great opportunity for us. Or if we want to see if the AI thinks price is going to come down based on price action plus previous signals, when we have price going up, we could go ahead and punch sell at the top of a candle and write it down and capture a ton of value like I was able to do today. So a couple updates are coming. That's going to be, unfortunately, it's probably going to be another week or so before we can get that figured out. But I'm very excited about that because I think it's going to be the glue again to what we're trying to do here, which is make you more consistent by taking the highest quality trades. Lastly, let me know how you guys prefer these reviews. Do you want them shorter so they're like 15, 20 minutes max? Do you prefer them to be an hour? Do you want them to be longer? Like, let me know what you prefer in the comments and I'll start doing that. I want a lot of you guys to watch these so that you know what's going on consistently, but also like it aligns with what you want to see, which is a longer or shorter video. I appreciate it. Thanks. Let's go sell right here. Stop. Okay. Another chance for us to try and go short right here. Stop. All right. Oh, wow. That was my chance. I'm trading news. Oh, gosh. Yeah. Yep, got in the way of that. 9:30 news time. I knew that. I knew that. Right here. So I thought there was news. Am I not seeing things right? Yeah, here we go. Some news in here. 9:30. Yep. Didn't do much, but I was definitely in the way of that trade for sure. Okay. $3.30. Yeah, right. We might. We might. We definitely might. Sell signal. Sell signal. I'll go ahead and jump in a sell right there. Okay, price is breaking out. Let's see if it pulls back for us. Probably entered a tad too soon. Let's see if we can scrummage something here. It's going to need to do a miracle turnaround for us. My stop is basically at this high. 15 points. Let's see. I do like that we're resting up here. I like that, but let's see if we can get price to turn around here. So far, bad and bad. Way too soon. We'd probably be somewhat or close to profitable had we, yeah. Okay, good spot there. Another chance for us to go short. Okay. Same fate or no? Only a 12-point stop here. Same thing though, man. Oh, wow. How? There we go. Good. Good trade there. Sell. See if we can ride some of this momentum a little bit. Good call, Rye. Hopefully your trade hit as well. Oh, we just missed it. Nice. Good call, Rye. Excellent job. Let's see what happens. Yeah, not a whole lot you missed there though, but let's see. Round was good. Yeah, I've got a kind of a snappy idea for what to do with this signal analysis, our distribution part. Um, but we'll have to just wait on it. Probably maybe Friday potentially we could have it ready. It shouldn't take too much work. Well, I don't know, but we'll see. Price is near VWAP. We basically touch VWAP and roll back. So let's see kind of what we want to do with this here. ATR sitting at what? 14. Let's jump back over to NQ. And instead of that, we'll just go 5. Okay, cool. All right. Okay. Touch. Go sell right there. Stop. Okay, good. Small victory there. A little bit of a long signal here. Let's see if we can find the top of this bad boy and go short off of it again. That was it. That was it. I missed it. Let's see if we get another chance at it. Yeah. Trade makes it super simple. Rye to do so. Makes it really simple. Now, I do get burned at times because my stop could be a little too tight. So, there's that. But yeah, I like the way that they do it as well. Makes it really easy. There goes price popping again. I really want to take another short here. Sell, stop. All right. There it is. Okay, good. Kind of going against the grain a little bit, but and I'll explain why in just a little. But essentially, what I'm gonna do, I think, if I can execute it right, is I'm going to get ChatGPT to essentially like give us a meta signal. So give us a like full trade recommendation based on the signals. That's what I'm trying to work on right now. And so a lot of the trades that I'm taking seem pretty one-sided. That's because I'm looking at this and okay, long, okay. I got you. Okay, 80% sell signal. Okay, we'll wait. Yeah, right, that's kind of what I'm seeing here. If we dip down again, I might go long. Buy right there, stop. 40 bucks, not bad. Okay, aggressive selling here. Let's see. Okay, good thing we got out of that long because that was not the right move at all. Okay. Okay, so we stop right here. There goes price. I'll take a sell right there. Could be a little early here. Yep, too early. Way too early. Tried it, didn't work. Too early. Okay. Oof. Yeah. We could have, oh my gosh, we could have had a really nice trade there. Okay. Price still dancing between basically VWAP and this high up here. So we'll keep being patient, but okay. Overall, ChatGPT is still like shorts over longs. That's what I'm seeing here. It's a bad signal. Good signal so far. Sell. Solid entry here. Might have been too early, but I thought I got a pretty good fill. Rather. Maybe my entry was a little early. Let's see. Good little trade there. Okay, I have a clear bottom here at VWAP. I see that. ATR is just super low. Okay. Yeah, we'll see what we get here because markets are up barely today. 10 years up, my 1 year's down. Okay. Got a nice little bottom here. I kind of want to go short off of this here. Let's go right there, stop. Might have been a little tad early. Good. Good. The question is, how frequent do I want to do this? Same spot as before? I'll take that right there. See if I was a little overconfident or if I got the spot right. Yeah, I got it right. Damn, small victory. Damn. Oh. Damn. Dang it. I can't believe I had that. I mean, I was right there. So annoying. We missed it by a second, like a smidge. Take the short. Oh man, I knew it. Let's go sell right there. Stop. Run off the bottom, really? There we go. Tiny victory, but I like that. Yeah. Same spot as before. Could this be the time it punches up, or are we gonna get our stop in here? Here we go. Oh, that's just like the third time I've done that. I could have made, I don't know, maybe $60 more. Well, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay. No, this is an Apex account, right? It's a 25K Apex account. So I'm down $374 right now on Zday. Okay. Let's see what this next signal gives us. I'm copy trading 5 Apex accounts at the time, right now. 85. Let's go sell right there. Oh, wow. Okay. Same spot as rejection up there. There we go. That was my chance, I think. Missed it. Oh, man. Did not expect that. Yeah, this feels like price is coming back up. Maybe I can get bailed out here, but I feel like price is ready to run back up here. Got bailed out. Okay, let's see. What is the thing now? Here, here, and here. Basically shifting between profitability, or not really, but being down $600, $300. Okay, there goes price. Take the short. Okay. About now. Just feels like a long opportunity right there. Let's go long right there. Stop. Okay. If it dips low again like that, we can take another buy, but barely any profit there. There it is. Ah, man. My stop being really tight has hurt me more than it's helped today. Some days it's not like that. Today is like that. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Let's see what we have as far as signals go. There goes that long. Okay. Sell right there. This one's really gutsy. Oh, wow, I had a chance to squeeze out some profit there. I mean, barely any. Hmm. All right. Go sell right there. Another aggressive trade. Let's see if we found our top here and ready to roll back, or if we're going to keep rolling here. Let's see. I can see either one happening right now. There it is. Good. Really good. We're going to ignore this signal and take the short again. Maybe that was a bad idea. Let's find out. Okay. Wow. Okay. Price just popped on me. Okay, bad trade there. Back to where we were before, pretty much. Good signal there. Okay. Looks like we're ready to head back up here. Let's see. All right. Again, just testing some new or different trade ideas here. See what this one has to say. Okay. Sell right here. Nice. Good trade there. Man, if we just avoided this one candle, we'd have been in perfect position. But I think I like what I'm seeing. I think that I have to refine it a little bit, but yep. Good call, right? Long here, long, long, long. All right, so then we'll take that long right there, hit stop. 8 points. I'm in the hole on this one already. I like my spot though. Not enough, but I like it. Oh man. Can I get this spot again is the question. There we go. Back to where we were before, minus 100 bucks. Okay. That and this says what? Maybe I won't have this right by the end of the week because I have to add additional pieces to it, but I think I like, I'll show you guys in the, well, really, none to really show you guys, I guess, yet, but. Okay. 2 minutes still says short. Wow, my fill was horrendous. Oh man, my fill was so bad. I feel like I was off by a point. ATR super low. I'm still looking for some cells here. There is one. Out. Taking 44 trades. That's a lot of freaking trades. I've been right more than I've been wrong. I just have gotten my ass punched way more. My losses are just humongous, but I'm not wrong by a lot. That's good. We're just not making money, which is not good. All right, so if I go this plus okay. Sell signal here. Sell right there, stop, placed. And we got in pretty much at the worst time possible. Can we still get profitable though? Nope. Yes. There we go. These candles feel massive, but they're incredibly small. ATR is just tiny. So it's going to be really difficult to do anything. Oh man, really good signal here though. Good 1 minute signal. Sell right there, stop. Nothing. We're down 450. What do we have here? It's a good signal technically. Average confidence score has gone up because I weighted some of the factors a little different. Let's go sell right there. Stop. This, I was gonna say that feels right, but I could be wrong. A little too tight, but oh man, a little too tight. Good night, but we had it right though. A little too tight. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing here. I don't know how I want this to be executed, but I like what I'm seeing. Oh, frick. Okay, good trade there. We're down 195. Battling back, which is nice. 81%. I like what I'm seeing here a ton. But I don't know how I would. So what I'm doing in the background is I'm taking the signals, taking the chart, and then asking ChatGPT essentially what the best recommendation is for a trade. What's the ARB? Like what's the best opportunity for us? And it's working out pretty well. Now we have had a couple big losses, but we're winning about 80, well, just over 80% of our trades, which is great. So like we're accurate. Now we just have to work on the actual execution. So I'm gonna figure it out, but we're really pushing here, so we'll probably chill for a second. Well, let me see. Let's try this again. All right, so plus this. Wow. Wow. That's insane. Uh-oh. I might have been, oh, there we go. Cool. Good trade there. I thought I was going to be the last one into this trade, but I was not. That's good. Or could I? Okay, waiting around. Got logged out. I don't like that. Give me a long right there with a stop right here, which is, there we go. Okay, we got punched out of that one, but good trade. I still like that though. There it is. Yep. Good. Wow. We're actually up $100 now. We battled all the way back. Look at the stats here. We battled all the way back. We ran up $800 here. Really nice. We traded down 700, ran back up 800. Good. With an 82.5% win rate. Good. Okay, so God, I wonder if I could get that done. That would be fire. All right. That. Yeah, I think that would be the game changer we're looking for here. Long entry was horrendous for what I thought I was getting. Okay, a couple bucks there. I want to go long. There it is. I want to go long again on this. Out. Good. We're at 159. Okay. All right, ChatGPT says fade the rally. Let's see what we got here. Probably not the best idea. Let's see. Just over VWAP, okay. Can price get below my entry for just a blip? I don't think it's going to. Wow, I can't believe I got that. We're definitely head back up though. Let's see. Yeah, we're heading back up for sure. Really? Much better. Okay. Okay, looks like we're gonna go ahead and fade this here. Sell right there. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have. Ooh, we're close. Here we're out. All right, back down for the day. Sell right there. How did I not get that fill? We're out. Okay. Go and sell right there off of this huge push. See if this push has more points in it or not. Hopefully it doesn't. There we go. Good. All right. Why are you stuck on? I just don't get, oops. There's that works. Okay. Okay. That was a perfect setup for a sell. Missed it. Okay. Let's go sell again right there. Entry was a little bit ass, but let's see if it can pay off for us. Nope. Entry would have been much better suited up here, well, obviously, but that'd have been a much better entry. Holy cow. We were ready for that. Oh, it stinks that it like flashed so fast. I hate when that happens. I love that it made our trade profitable, but I hate that it happens like that. I'm sorry, I missed it. How many trades? 59 trades, 11 losses, not bad. We still don't have a huge winning trade yet, but we technically had one. We had one where we were in 2 contracts. Ended up paying off for us on accident, but so what I'm thinking is I want to include a way to get a meta signal and really just considering the 5-minute, 2-minute, 1-minute. So what I want to do is see if I can get a way or find a way to, if this thing pulls back, I'd take a short off this. Let's see. Sell right there. It's a really good entry. If it's wrong, it's wrong, but it's a really good entry. Just drop a little. Come on, bro. There it is. Good. So what I want to do, and I'll get to the comments here in just a second because I missed something, but I want to get a way or find a way to get, and I know how to, I know what I want to do. Now I just need to do it. If this thing pops up here, we'll probably take that cell. That's pretty close. But I want to get away so like we can capture 5 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute, maybe look at our screen and then take a trade based on the meta signal that we're given. And we could get one, well, I don't know, we could get one every minute or two, every couple minutes, or maybe every 2 minutes or so, we would get one. And obviously the 5 minute chart won't update that fast, but the 1 minute chart would have 2 clear signals given as well. But we could use that as a way to maybe give some clarity to these signals, because you can analyze a lot of stuff here and still get it wrong, even though you put in a lot of effort analyzing. Let's see. All right, so if I go, how did that work? I think this is what I want more so than anything else. This is way better, but I'll just see. I'm ready for a short here. Oh, wow. Are you kidding? Go and sell up here. See if price can run down for me. 9-point stop, 8-point stop. Yep, there we go. Give me my money back, bro. Give me my money back. Idiot. Give me my cash back. 80%. I think that was our biggest loss too. That was our biggest win right after our biggest loss. That's annoying as shit. But okay. Okay. This makes sense to go along off of though. It's so fast that I'm not sure how I'd be able to execute this. I probably need to make a new, okay. I'm having flashes of brilliance here. So what I want to see happen, update from you, would you please? You're fine, it's only these two. Okay. And I don't know if I'd be able to do it the way that I'd want it to be done, but I think I could do it pretty efficiently. But the way that the AI analyzes all of these signals and chart compared to the way we see it, it's a little different. Okay, so we're gonna clean that up then. All right, that was long. Let's go long right there. I've been kind of holding that spot anyway. But all of my trades, there it is. That's incredible. That's awesome. All of my trades today have been based on taking the chart, taking the signals, and then asking ChatGPT essentially like, what's the best move? What's the best ARB? How can I find the best, basically, gap in value, right? And so far it's worked out pretty well. We're up 221. We've taken a shit ton of trades trying to figure it out a little bit. 63 trades, but we've won 80% of them and we're up. Now my expectancy is $7 per trade, which is absolutely hilarious. But if we could refine this and speed it up, I think we'd have something that could be pretty sick. So yeah, I'm just curious how I'd want to build this. Okay, I feel like taking a short right here could be dangerous, but I'll do it anyway. 9-point stop. Yeah, I might have entered a tad too soon. I don't know, I'm gonna get my entry back here at all. If this thing goes in my favor, I might have to trail it like I'm winning. Save a little profit there. Okay. Well, yeah, I said exactly what I needed to do and I didn't do it, so that's on me. All right, let's see if we can try this again really quick. Okay. Beyond the illusion, okay. Big drop, I only have a few stop losses put in. I had quite a few spots in 3. Illusion, how do you mean, my friend? Maybe I'm slightly confused by that. How do you mean? How do you mean? Welcome to the chat. Thanks for joining. But how do you mean? Okay. Nice little pullback here. Let's see what the AI thinks. I mean, there's nothing on the signals that suggests anything else. Good. Buy right there. Stop. 8 points. 9 points, rather, sorry. Sweet. Good. Do it again. Wow, what was that? We'll figure it out, but good grief, that open was stupid gap down. All right, we'll call it a day at 200 bucks, 197.24. We'll call it a day at 200 bucks profit per 5 accounts. So just under $1,000 of profit here. Not horrible, not fantastic, but not horrible on 60 something trades, right? 66 trades, 80% win rate, not bad. Our expectancy is really low, but that's okay. We didn't have any bangers for real. But we were down 705 and then we rallied all the way back to 9. And I think once we got the hang of things, we were ready to start hitting some trades. So I think we'd had a really good spot here. We'll continue to refine this, but I think this is the update that I'm wanting to do. And we're going to replace, essentially, we're going to go ahead and replace the signal distribution here. Not that, this. We're going to replace the signal distribution, I think, with this meta signal. So that'll be a lot of fun. We'll kind of see where that takes us, and we'll go from there. But just conflicted on that though. Price is flying. I have another account that is trading right now and I just caught that. That's sweet. All right. All right. Good day. If you guys have any questions or comments, concerns, just let me know. Jump in the Discord. I believe the link is in the description, so we can chat there, or Instagram or wherever. But we'll keep it pushing here. Got some updates I'm looking to make again. We got some fun stuff coming, but it's a work in progress. What I'm happy about today is that we have a lot of really confident signals, and we've got some really easy to understand price action movements, and we traded a pretty choppy day pretty efficiently. And so we'll continue with that, but I think I like what I'm seeing here. Does this candle want to pull back some more? Let's go sell right there, or buy right there rather. Sorry, not sell. Man, I might have jumped in a little too soon. Got it, 214 on the day. Now we're up over $1,000. Cool. Anyway, I will see you guys. Have a great one. We'll be back tomorrow with some more trading. Peace.